Is it time to buy or sell YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we will explore YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy Exchange Traded Fund in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has ranked the YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.37. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this timeframe. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and gentle upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 5.5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 19% to positive 15.62%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 14.10%. Our calculations imply that the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 38.26% and positive 53.65% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $14.24 and $35.43. Our latest daily update for the YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF highlights that it has been upgraded to a buy candidate. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF experienced a price decline of 1.96% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. The price dropped from $23.52 to $23.06. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 4.53%, reaching a low of $22.84 and a high of $23.88. While the prices increased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 2.7% for this period. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the ETF's price, which is typically a positive sign, as volume trends should align with price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 71,000 shares, with a total of 16 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $370,080,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached a peak price of $46.50 and a low of $17.10. Currently, the price stands at 50.41% or $23.44, below the 52-week high of $46.50, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. MSTY, the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF, has garnered attention due to its astonishing 12-month trailing dividend yield of over 123%. However, market analysts express skepticism about its ability to maintain such yields moving forward. The primary concern lies in the ETF's heavy reliance on Bitcoin's volatile performance, particularly in a bear market, where only one of its income mechanisms may remain viable, limiting potential returns. The cryptocurrency's recent fluctuations, including a notable 23% drop, have caused MSTY's distribution rate to fall dramatically from 100% to approximately 82.8%. This decline raises red flags for investors, as covered call strategies, although providing income, limit capital appreciation and could lead to long-term capital erosion. Moreover, with reports suggesting that MSTY's performance might not weather expected Bitcoin downturns, analysts have downgraded the stock to a sell rating, highlighting its elevated risk profile. While the ETF has shown short-term returns that outpace traditional funds, the strategy's reliance on options trading makes it susceptible to the unpredictable nature of the crypto market. As a result, in the short term, high yields might attract investors seeking income, but increased risk and declining distributions could lead to a downturn in stock price as caution sets in. Over the long term, persistent concerns about volatility and performance could hinder the ETF's appeal, making it a less attractive choice for stable long-term investments. The following signals have been identified for YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there's a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the ETF, presenting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the ETF is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $24.25. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $22.14. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a decline below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, with the ETF having fallen by 8.27% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which diminishes overall risk as volume tends to align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 55 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 76 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $20.73 and $19.73. There is an inherent risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the ETF to fall to the next support level. In this instance, YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy finds support just below today's level at $20.73. If this support is breached, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $19.73 and $18.39. This ETF may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.04 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.53%. For the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.06%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF is at $23.52. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $20.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.70, reflecting a decrease of 5.9%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund to perform well in the near future. We have revised our assessment of this exchange-traded fund since our last evaluation, changing it from a sell to a buy recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that the YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund will open higher by approximately 19.8 cents, starting at $23.26. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.